Hi, I'm Ravi Pavne from Tricentis, and today I'm going to discuss on use of one of the TBox automation tool, TBox partial buffer. You can get this module under standard modules, TBox automation tools, buffer operations. The module TBox partial buffer contains the following module attributes, which are buffer. Here you have to provide the buffer name. The action mode input is used here. Then value. You have to provide the value to be buffered or verified. You can also read out the value of an existing buffer. The action mode input or verify are used here. Then start. This indicates the character from which system should start the buffering or verifying the value. The action mode input is used here. And then end indicates the character that should end the value to be buffered or verified. The action mode input is used here. And last, this indicates the number of characters to be buffered or verified, starting from the last character. If this value is set, the module attribute start and end will be ignored.
Now let's see how this works. You can see I have created a scenario in which first I am invoking the Tricentis support portal, and then I want to steer the welcome node given over there and then naming it with the name welcome node. You can also see I have already created a module which will steer the Tricentis support and capture the welcome node so that I can buffer it. Then in the next step I am creating the partial buffer 1 which will buffer the starting 12 characters of existing buffer welcome node. Like the same way you can buffer the partial string from the end. In the next step I am creating partial buffer 2 in which I will buffer the last 12 characters of existing buffer welcome node. Now let's execute this test case and see how it works for us. Now let's explore the results of Scratchbook. You can see all the test steps got successful. Let's explore one by one. Buffer with the name welcome node has been set to the value welcome to the Tricentis support. It means that we have successfully buffered the welcome node. Then in partial buffer 1 the value has been set to Tricentis support exclamatory mark. Why? Because we are just buffering the starting 12 characters. Here in the partial buffer 2 the value each support is got buffered because we are creating a partial buffer of last 12 characters of the welcome node buffer.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.